Introduction to the less than img greater than tag.
Images are a key part of modern websites. HTML uses the image tag to display images on web pages. Understanding how to use this tag helps you add visual interest and convey information. In this guide, you'll learn the basic structure of the image tag and how to include images effectively in your website projects.
Basic syntax of the less than img greater than tag.
The image tag is simple to use. It's a self-closing tag, which means it doesn't need a separate closing tag. The most important part is the src attribute, which tells the browser where to find the image file. For example, image src image.jpg will display the image named image.jpg in your web page.
Adding alternative text with alt.
The alt attribute is essential for accessibility. It provides a text description of the image for users who can't see it, such as those using screen readers or if the image fails to load. Always include descriptive alt text like this: image src logo alt company logo.
Controlling image size.
This biz you can control how large or small images appear on your site. The image tag supports width and height attributes, allowing you to specify the size in pixels. For example, image source from angle 150 with pix 150 resizes the image, helping it fit neatly into your page layout.
Best practices for using less than img greater than.
Use clear file paths and optimize images for faster loading. Choose descriptive file names. Use the correct file formats like JPEG or PNG, and keep image sizes reasonable. Including the alt attribute not only helps with accessibility, but also improves search engine optimization on your website.
Conclusion: enhancing your website with images.
Adding images with the img tag is easy and powerful. By mastering its basic features and following best practices, you can make your website more appealing and user-friendly. Experiment with images to enhance your site's design and communicate your message more effectively.